Hi, my name is Kayla Parlavecchio, and I will be your son's Algebra 1 math teacher this year. This will be my 5th year teaching and also my 2nd year at Seton Hall Prep. Here at the Prep, I teach Algebra 1 to freshmen and Geometry to the sophomore class. I have 2 bachelor's degrees, one in accounting and one in math. As of this past May, I've been working towards a master's degree in educational technology. This year at the Prep, I will be a moderator for the Math Honor Society, and in the spring, I help to coach the girls' track team at Milburn High School. A typical day in my class starts out with a warm-up. It will either review questions from the day before or introduce today's lesson. After we review the warm-up, we review the homework, where I'm encouraging the students to grade their own homework before they come to class. Answer keys are always provided for any of the homework assignments they are given. After we review both of those things, we go into the lesson, and the lesson is normally presented through PowerPoint on the Promethean board. All notes that I give in class are available to be posted on the portal. After the lesson, we summarize our lesson and homework will be assigned. The materials that are expected to be had every day is a notebook, their homework, and a pencil. This year, their textbook can stay at home. The calculators they received at the beginning of the year are not needed just yet. Homework is assigned almost daily. When homework is checked, it will be worth 5 points. And when it is checked, it is reviewed for completion and effort. It is not graded on correctness. Any missing or incomplete homework will receive a 0, and there might possibly be a comment in that section if necessary. All homework is posted on the portal in a homework log in the respective chapter that we are covering. Quizzes and tests will be given each chapter, at least 1 quiz a chapter, possibly 2, depending on the difficulty and length of the chapter, and 1 test at the end of every chapter. The students are always encouraged to take their own notes in their notebook. They can even print out my slides if they would like to annotate on what is provided. To obtain the slides, they would go to the respective topic for the chapter, and they can print them there. There are 3 trimester exams. The first trimester exam is on the first 4 chapters. The second trimester exam is on chapters 5 through 8. The third trimester exam is a final, and each of these exams are worth 200 points. Extra help is provided, and I really encourage your sons to come and ask for help. Tuesdays and Thursdays in the activity period, I'm available in room 140. I'm also available Wednesday mornings at 8:15 to 8:40 in room 140. If there is ever a time that your son would like to meet in the morning outside of my provided schedule or after school, I just ask that they send me a message on the portal or an email, and we can set something up. If your son is learning virtually, there is a link provided on the portal on the main bulletin page where they can join the Microsoft Teams Extra Help class. Please reach out to me with any questions or concerns that you might have at my school email, kparlavecchio@shp.org, and I look forward to meeting you all one day soon.